This is a tutorial of the application named Apertium Bilingual Entry Generator, which has been developed for those who find it difficult to write bilingual entries in the expected XML format. Throughout this video, I will be using several examples to demonstrate this tool. These examples will be based on dictionaries of two South Asian languages, Konkani and Hindi. For generating entries, users can refer to three different formats. The first is the default format of our application. Here, users need to first type the root word in a line, followed by the grammar types, separated by commas and enclosed in square brackets. The second and third formats were implemented so that users can directly copy and paste output from Apertium. The second format is the one displayed in terminal. Here, users can skip the original word and the first forward slash. The original word and this slash is not necessary for entry generation, but these are still considered as part of input because when we get output from terminal, then in some machines UTF-8 fonts may not be detected, so it can be difficult to identify and select text which appears right after the first slash. The third format is the one displayed in Beta Apertium website. Users need to simply copy and paste from this section. For demonstrating Apertium entry generation, I have written the first in format 2 and the second in format 3. Now this file named L1L2DIX has all the entries in XML format. For referring paradigms, users need to first collect all the paradigms from the bilingual dictionary and store in a txt file, like the one shown in this image. The path of this file needs to be specified in the application. For demonstration, I will be considering a previously used example and compare the results. So the input entries whose grammar types were same as the grammar types of a paradigm were generated with reference to paradigm name. For generating multi-word entries, users can refer to different methods. The first method has 3 steps. The first step is to enter the multi-word. The second step is to enter the translation. The third step is to enter the root and grammar types of the multi-word in sequence. In this method, the system assigns grammar to multi-word by considering the first grammar type of each word and the grammar types which are common between them. The LSX entries are stored in files named L1L2LSX and L2L1LSX. The second method has 4 steps. The first 3 steps are the same as method 1, and the additional step is to manually add the grammar types separated by commas and enclosed in square brackets. For entering in this method, users need to enable the second option from settings. If in case a multi-word entry already exists in the original LSX file and users do not want to recreate it, then they can give input as per a single word entry by referring to format 1. The root word of this format should be replaced with the separable words from the LSX entry, and the grammar types should be the same as the ones in LSX. Here, output will be generated only in L1 L2 DIX. For erasing previously generated entries while submitting new input, users can enable the first option from Settings. Finally, to remove repeated entries from output files, users can click on Delete Duplicates from the Options menu.